Hey Lennar fans, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are over at Heritage Landing previewing this Angelina floor plan being offered by Lennar. This is part of the executive line of homes that Lennar has to offer here. The Angelina is a 2+ den or 3-bedroom, depending on how you want to use the space, home. 2061 under air, 2-car garage. This one does not have the golf membership, so you don't have to worry about paying any annual dues to the golf. Let's walk inside and take a look here. As you can see, it is an unfinished home, but due to be complete in a number of months here, and it's available for you now. With the Angelina, we come in over here. You have a guest bedroom right up here with the bay type windows, really nice. You've got your guest bath, and then this leads into what would be your den here and or third bedroom. It does have a closet and a window, so it does qualify as a third bedroom. And then right here you would have pocketing slider doors that would shut that off. So it's a nice den space or third bedroom. And then right across from us, this is your formal dining space here. And then this opens into your nice great room area here. Right there is where your kitchen would be. That's your kitchen island. Really nice size island. And then this would be your entry to your laundry space and your garage right there. But nice open great room design here. And then you have the entry to your master right over here. Nice size master. And then you're gonna have dual closets. And then right here as we go into your master bath, you've got the tub that would be right here, and right here would be your walk-in shower. Now coming back out here to the main area, this home has a really nice size lanai under truss. So nice coverage. Also, beautiful view here. And this home comes with a pool and spa package. And just beyond the pool there and the mound of dirt, you see the nice beautiful lake back there, which will be more visible once this pool is all said and done. So if you're interested in this home, it's available now. You can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.